Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have some Christmas videos for you today. And I'm going to show you a little bit how I use my silhouette cameo. Now here is my library and I'm trying to find something that I thought that I purchased or thought that I had from last year. This first project I'm getting ready to make, I made a whole set last year, and I'm going to put the link in my description box if you'd like to watch that. So, I thought I saved the design from last year, but apparently I didn't. So now I'm going to show you how I go to the store. Now, each month, you get $10 worth of free designs, I think, and it just adds up on your account. It does cost, I think, $8 a month, but you get $10 in free files. So now I'm looking for reindeer names. So this is the one I'm going to pick, and I'm going to download it into my library. So this is mine to keep. It was 99 cents. And since the $10 has been building up, I have like, $80 now in my account, which I'll probably never spend. But now it's asking me to sign in because I haven't signed in a while. So I just sign in and it automatically downloads into my account. Thanks for your order, and now it's in my library. So now I'm going to go into my library. I'm going to get rid of this page, which is the store. And I'm going to go into my library, and I'm going to download this. I'm going to pick this picture to go on my design space. I'm just showing you a little bit. I've never done this part of the video before, so I figured I'd just show you a little bit about it. A lot of people have crickets, so I figured I'd show you a little bit of silhouette cameo. Now this is my library. These are all my designs. The other day I asked my subscribers what they wanted to see. Did they want to see Christmas, farmhouse, boho? Some people, I had a mixture of everything. Some people wanted boho, some people wanted farmhouse, some people wanted Christmas. You know what? I'm just going to do whatever I feel like doing that day. And today I felt like doing Christmas. And this is the hot item from last year. These floor tiles, or not floor tiles, backsplash tiles were such a hot item last year. I don't know if you guys remember. I don't even know if you've seen them. But people bought them and made them into ornaments, and they're so adorable. Now, I'm doing the reindeer names, and I did last year as well, but I also made a lot of families, like all names of families. And then I had this one friend that had like all boys and then a baby girl. So I made like all boys with like blue ribbon and then the baby girl with like the pink ribbon. They were so adorable. And they're nice. They're not terribly heavy, but they're nice. They're perfect for ornaments. So right now I'm just cutting out the reindeer names. I sized them up and I measured exactly what size I needed. And now I'm going to show you, I'm not going to do the whole set for video purposes, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like to do a couple of them. So right now I'm just taking the word off of my transfer tape, and then I'm going to put it on the ornament, the tile. And sometimes this is a pain in the butt. And here comes baby. Hi, baby. She was very annoying during this video. And look, she's trying to bite the transfer tape. My cats love tape. I guess maybe all cats do. Okay, so here's Dasher. And it's so easy to put on. Watch how easy it is to transfer this onto this tile, because it's such a nice smooth surface. It never fails, guys. I don't know if this happens to you, but every single time I'm editing, the phone rings. Every time. My daughter's babysitting, and the baby just headbutted her and busted her lip. So she's got a fat lip now, but she'll be fine. I told her to put ice on it. I'll call her back when I'm done. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So right now, I'm putting my ribbon on. I made one Dasher and one Rudolph just so I could show you the different colors that I use. And I use E6000 first because I don't want these ribbons to fall off when these ornaments are on the tree. Now I'm putting some hot glue and I'm going to add my little ribbons. I'm going to use black for the Dasher one and red for the Rudolph. Now I'm going to add my little bows, and that's going to be it, guys. And of course, you know, I do end up making a whole set of them. And then I give them as a gift, which this is an adorable gift. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, these tiles are like $3. Some are $6, depending on the size you get. And here's the finished product. Here's my next project, guys. This is from Dollar Tree. These ornaments are adorable. I know you guys gotta think so too. Aren't they so sweet? I just think they're so darn cute. Anyway, the first thing I thought of when I saw these was putting a name on them. So I'm just using my kids' names as an example. I designed my daughter's name, Shauna, and my son's name, Kyle, and I also have a son named Danny, but I only had 2 ornaments. So, and I needed a short word for the Christmas tree. I guess I could have put Dan. But I just made 2 of them. So look how easy this is to just transfer this onto this ornament. This is probably the easiest DIY you can do. Look, done. How cute is that? Oh, I think it's so adorable. And here's the finished product. My last and final project is the infamous Dollar Tree calendar. So I happened to get my hands on one of these the other day in Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to make a little wall decor. I'm going to use these these paint sticks, and I'm going to make a frame for it. Now, I took some poster board and I cut a backing for it to make it a little thicker. You can see baby's tail in the way. Now, I saw Unicorn Dust Design trying to use this saw on her channel the other day, and she was having trouble. She said she thought it was a saw. But do you guys know that there's a little lip underneath, and DIYer, the Daily DIYer, Shannon showed me this. There's a little lip underneath the yellow part, and you hook it to the side of your table so it doesn't move. And like you push down on it, just hold it there, and it makes your life so much easier. It makes cutting like a game changer. So I got these paints at Home Depot today. They were samples, and I think they were like $3.98. And I got to pick out any colors I want, and it's Behr paint. I'm showing you here. They're pretty big little containers. You know what I mean. They're little containers, but they're bigger. I would say they're a better deal than the little things you get at Walmart. So that's about it, guys. That's my 3 projects. I'm going to show you the final reveal on this wall decor. Guys, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for taking time out and tuning in with me. I hope everybody's happy and healthy and has a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching.